What's up guys, welcome back. Well, this is my first video of gaming. I'm gonna show you a glitch that you can do that will make cars go slower, and in drag races you get heaps of money. Easy way to get money. You go to garage first. This is my normal car I use for the glitch. You're gonna go in here. You're gonna go to tools and things. You're gonna go to settings, fix it all up like how mine is. Your one has to be, and it has to have like a little bit of turbo and tuned and everything. So I have 4 and final gear 5, and second gear has to be on 70. I'll show you why it has to be on 70 in a minute. You go to here, you go to races, go to drag, go to competition, drag racing. Normally that you can do the last one, but yeah, your what's it called? The car has to be more. So this is the easier way to do. It's better. I'll show you in a minute. I remember. I normally turn off my internet for this. Is better. Or leave it in second gear for like the whole way. Try to use your nitrous. And see he'll stop because he's in third gear and he can't go anywhere else. Easy way to get money. Like I started off this. Got me a quick way to get money, cars, anything I needed, pretty much. Only takes you like a minute to do all these stuff. It's pretty easy. I reckon only you should probably put it in neutral and then just gas it up and then you press plus plus. Just keep it in second gear the whole way. Don't put it in third gear. I'll show you what happens if you put it in third gear right now. You go like that all the way back down. It's not a good thing to do. You lose $40 at the start, but it's good. Like, I don't know. You lose money at the start, you gain money at the end. That's all I can how I say it. See how my money is on that? I just started like 3-4 weeks ago doing this. That's why it helped me a lot. You don't need to burn your tires. I just do it for fun. You see, live in second gear, you can hit your nose to beat him if you want. And if you want a second video of this, just like and comment that you enjoyed it and like you want a second video of it. Of like me playing original, no, like what I do is just for like boring sake. You get boxes out of this. You can get diamonds from the other one. You should like upgrade your garage and stuff, make it pretty. You know what I mean? And that's it. That's how you do it. That's how I got all these stuff. This one was my original power build because it's the lightest car is in the game. I think should be. Just have these cars for fun. This car just looks. I like how it carries the thing, luggage. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like. Bye. Peace.